Nowadays I forgot to start recording. Wait for a while. Now see. What we have done till now, I have explained you. Okay, I have given you short recap of zero conditional, first conditional, second conditional, third conditional and mixed conditional. Okay, in zero conditional we speak about the real situation and its real result. What can be happen? These two are in simple present tense. Here simple present tense plus simple future tense. Okay, let's see with a small video, right? Or just recapitulation through PPT. Wait for a while. Okay, this video is of 5 minutes. Okay, let's have a short recap. Wait for a while. It is not getting. Okay, let it be. Wait for a while. Today we are having little bit connectivity issue. Here, I hope that now you people are able to see. There are 5 types of conditionals. Okay, first conditional, second conditional and third conditional. Now see, and mixed conditional. Okay, now let's see conditional. Conditional is a type of sentence that is made up of an if clause, condition and a main clause result. Next, the sentence describes the situation that might happen or might have happened. The sentence usually starts with if or when. It's important to note the if clause can be first or second part of the sentence. This is what I have explained you yesterday. What is the structure of zero conditional? If plus present simple plus present simple. Refer the situations that are true and possible. Okay, example, it rains, the ground gets wet. If it rains, the ground gets wet. Now see, it's important to notice that we can also be used instead of if, when can be used, right? When can also be used instead of if. Let's see the next part. First conditional, if plus present simple plus present future, right? Future simple. Now, refers to a situation that is possible or realistic. What is the structure? If plus present simple plus simple future. If I go to the shop, I will buy something. Then if I study hard, I will pass my exam. Now second conditional. Second conditional, if plus past simple plus would plus verb, base form of the verb, right? Now example refers to a situation that is impossible or unlikely to happen. Now its example, let's see here. If I own the lottery, I would buy a mansion. Another example is, if I were you, I would quit smoking. This is how we have learned the first and second conditional clauses, right? Now see here. Let me go back to the class. We are going to know about the important part of the chapter, vocab and writing. Chapter 5, here, grammar. Okay, what? Vocabulary and writing. Now let's see here what we are going to do today, vocabulary and writing. So what we will learn at the end of this chapter, we are going to know about the speaking words. What? We are going to know about the speaking words and play to the story. To know the speaking words. Okay, then to understand, play to story. Okay, means how can we narrate a story? This is based on vocab and this is based on writing. Now let's see here page number. Let me open your textbooks, page number 60 in your textbook. Open page number 60 in your textbook. Now we are going to learn vocabulary in detail. Okay, let me erase this one. I hope that you people are not having any query in the conditionals now, because we have learned it in deep. Now let's see here vocabulary. Vocabulary. What is your vocabulary? Read these dictionary entries and match them to the correct speaking word from the box. Here they are given us a box: snap, whine, boast, rant, blurt and purpose. First one, to suggest something as a part of a plan. What would be the answer? Vocabulary question A. Propose, kya? Propose, yes. Any doubt or query? Second, we have to, here meanings are given. Okay, here meanings are given in your textbook and you need to identify the word. Second word, to say something quickly in an angry way. To say something quickly in an angry way. It means what? Snap. Okay? What would be the answer? Snap. Third one. To complain in a loud, excited and confused way. It is called rant. R-A-N-T, rant. Now, fourth one. To complain in a sad, annoying voice. It is whine. Okay? Now, fifth one. To talk too proudly about your abilities or achievements. It is boast. B-O-A-S-T. Okay, sixth one. To say something suddenly without thinking. Blurt. Now, question B. I hope that you are writing it. These are the speaking words. Means these words are used to explain someone's way of speaking. Right. Now you can find many more. I will send you the link. Now see question B. Replace said in these sentences with the correct forms of the words from the previous exercise. No one can defeat me at arm wrestling, said Kavya. Here, what is the Kavya's ability? That she is a wrestler, right? And what is her statement? She said that no one can defeat me at arm wrestling. Is it possible? No, because even Sachin Tendulkar's records can be break, right? No one is Ajinkya, right? No one is the person who can't be defeated by anyone. Yes, everyone's time comes, right? So here this one is boasted. First one. Second one, I don't need. May I write first one here? Yes, so that it will help you. Now boast. Now second one. I don't need your help, Payal said, snatching her notebook from me. Here, what's the purpose? What is the result of this? To say something quickly in an angry way. I don't need your help, Payal said, snatching her notebook from me. She has just taken her notebook. Snap. क्या आएगा? Snap. Write down. S-N-A-P-P-E-D. S-N-A-P-P-E-D. Snap. Now third one. I couldn't keep it in anymore. I couldn't keep it in anymore. It was my fault. I said. It is what? How many of you are here? Only 12 students, right? Why only 12 students are here? Ishwa Kaur. Now you can answer the fourth one. I am bored. There's nothing to do here, said Karan. He is complaining, right? He is sad, bored. So, whine. Now fifth one. I always have to clean the house. I said angrily. It is ranted.
Rant, ma'am.
Good. Now sixth one. How about a walk in the park? I said. It is proposed. Okay. Now done. Now let's see the writing. Write a part of the play, The Quarrel, as a story in your notebook. Keep these points in mind. What things are important? Decide who is going to narrate the story. Okay. Now then, the dialogues have to be converted into direct or reported speech. Keep a good mix of both. The story should have a clear beginning, middle and ending. Now, here let's see what's the structure. Okay. Now here, what are the characters in this story? Have you learned this story from Devi ma'am? Yes. How many characters are there? Joe, Amy, Meg, Beth, Mrs. March, Lori, narrator. Okay. Now here. Not audible clearly, beta. Yes?
I am saying that from this chapter we had not started yet.
It is not started yet. Okay. So for this you need to all right. So can we complete writing? Okay. I will dictate you. I am going to write it on the board and then you can continue. Okay? Can be possible? Yes? Say something.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's start writing here. I will explain you with the examples too. Now write down. Let me shift my phone to the other side so it will help you. Now I hope that it is clearly visible to you all. Okay. Let's start. FNB beta. Start writing in your FNB. Writing. Yes. I was in the... Is it okay? Handwriting? I was in the parlor. Is it visible clearly to you all? Yes? I was in the parlor with Beth. With Beth and maid. Reading. Then after, but I could not pay any attention to the book. But everyone write it in your FNB. Could not pay any attention to the book. Now I wondered anxiously. I wondered anxiously. Whether Joe had have you started writing figure? Okay. Figured out what I had done. I had done. Okay. Now, when I heard her, I heard her running down the stairs. Running down the stairs. Where I knew she had found. I knew found out. Found out Has anyone taken my book? Has anyone taken my book? Now, she asked breathlessly. She asked what? Breathlessly. Breathlessly. Then after another paragraph. Okay. Now wait for a while. Breathlessly done. Meg and Beth said no immediately. Now here second paragraph. Meg and Beth said no. Is it visible clearly to you all? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Start writing. Meg and Beth said no immediately. Immediately. But I remained quiet. I remained quiet. I did not dare. I did not dare to turn. Did not dare to turn and look at Joe. She looked at me. She looked. Now, wait for a while. She looked at me. She looked at me. She looked at me and said excitedly. And said excitedly. Amy, you have got it. Amy, you have got it. Then after, I kept denying it. I kept denying it, but she did not believe me. But she did not believe me. Then what happened? She shook me so hard. She shook me. She shook me so hard that I got.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, what were written after that?
Excitedly, M-E, A-M-Y, comma and double inverted comma here. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Is it not clearly? She looked at me and said excitedly, Amy, you have got it. Okay, now, then after what happened? That I got furious. That I got furious. Everything she had everything she had said to me, yesterday came back to me. And I was glad. I had burnt it. Wait. Everything she said to me yesterday came back to me. And I was glad. I had burned her silly book. Then scold as much as you like. Now next sentence, scold as much as you like.
Ma'am, reflection is coming on the other side, ma'am.
Yes, beta. So wait till here, then I will use another side board, right? Okay? What's the time? Till we are having lot of time. You people can continue till here. Till then I am going to rough the vocabulary and I will write over there. Okay? Fine?
Fine, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So, okay. Now, scold as much as you like. You will, let me finish this line. You will never see your silly book again. I cried. उसके बाद I burned it. I burnt it.
Ma'am,
Okay.
what is ma'am, what
As soon as you finish this,
no ma'am.
what?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait. I hope that now it is clear to everyone. Now reflection is not there, yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So I am continuing just here, okay? Okay, beta?
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Okay, now see here. I cried. I burned it. I burned it. Joe's face turned very pale. Joe's face turned very pale. And she started to cry. And she started to cry. You wicked. You wicked. You wicked girl. You wicked. Wicked girl. I never can write. I never can write it again. It again. I will never forgive you. I will never forgive you as long as I live. She swore and ran off to the attic Now I started to feel a little bad about. I started to feel a little bad about what? About what I had done then. I had done then, but I had done then. But what about then? But what about what? Now we have to write. But what? But what?
दिख नहीं रहा है.
Beta, it is visible clearly. You can see
Yes, ma'am, it is visible.
Now only 3 sentences are remaining. Okay, see, I am going to rough this part a little so that we can write the starting, okay? Now, let's start writing. I hope that it is clearly visible to you people now. Yes. Now, but what about how rude? But what about how rude she had been to me? How rude she had been to me. Wait till mother comes home. She will sort all this out. Wait till mother comes home. She will sort all this out. She will sort all this out. Okay. Writing play to the story means we have to write the story, the theme of the story, okay, the story according to the one character's point of view. Okay, here one of the whose book was stolen? Joe's, right? So here the person who has stolen the book is narrating the story. If you are interested, you can write this story again by considering yourself as Joe, right? So see here, we what we did, we have just narrated the story. Yes, very good, Rachel. In other character's point of view. This is also a skill. Okay, if you ask me to write about our class, today's class, I will write according to my view. If someone has faced the difficulty in connectivity, then what happened? He or she will write according to his experience. Here, here what the narrator did, the narrator has written story according to the point of view, right? Here Amy is writing the story, right? Amy. Okay, Amy is narrator in this part, right? Now complete it. Only 12 students are here. This is not a good strength. Where are the others? You can ask your friends to join class on time. Okay, now let me check workbook. Vocabulary and punctuation and writing. Okay. How much remaining? Take your time, complete it. Okay, today what we have done, today we have solved vocabulary. In this we have solved speaking words. Okay, now and then writing, play to story. Here Amy has written, means we considered ourselves as Amy and we have narrated the story, right, in short. Now today you have to complete vocabulary, punctuation in workbook and exercises of vocabulary in worksheet also. You have to complete workbook page number 35 and 36. Vocabulary, punctuation and writing is your today's homework. What is your today's homework? Solve vocabulary, then punctuation, and writing, page number 35 and 36 in workbook. Okay. Here we can write worksheet 5. Solve chapter 5, vocabulary, punctuation and writing, page number 35 and 36 in workbook. This is your today's homework. The vocabulary is again about speech words, right, or speaking words. Now have you done this? Can I take your presentation?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, now give me your presentation one by one. You have to say yes, ma'am. First, today's date is 4th, right? Yes. Priyanshu Adroja?
Yes.
Okay. Aya Nadani, present. Dev Badrakia? Dev Badrakia? Dev Badrakia? Dev. Manav Jetloja? Manav Jetloja? Manav Jetloja? Ramya Choksi? If you are able to type in the chat box, you can type over there. Ramya Choksi, Rushil Desai present. Yug Detroja present, ma'am. Yug Detroja present. Okay. Dhruv jetlo ja. Okay. Let me do one thing. Let me take your screenshot. Okay. Wait for a while. Huh? Wait for a while. Let me take screenshot. Then you can leave. Only it's okay. Let it be. I will get it from email. Okay. Have a good day. Bye.